Newsflash, success doesn't happen overnight. It doesn't. You have to be patient. You have to be patient. Now, this is what's important for you to know. Patience is more than just waiting. It's an art of maintaining a positive mindset while you wait. In a world that often demands instant results, patience becomes one of your superpowers. It's a quiet confidence that growth takes time, that progress is always visible, and that great things are unfolding even when you can't see them. When you practice patience, you're actually choosing to trust the process. You're acknowledging that every step, no matter how small, is bringing you closer to your goals. Patience teaches you resilience, allowing you to stay focused and committed even when challenges arise. It reminds you that some of your best outcomes takes time to manifest. So embrace patience as your ally, man. Let it guide you through the uncertainties. Let it keep you grounded in the present and strengthen your belief in what's possible. Remember that the seeds that you plant today through patience will grow into success and significance, the same thing that you're seeking. So stay patient, stay focused, and keep pushing forward, because the best is yet to come. Keep on pushing.